What's the meaning of brickwork? Brickwork. Brickwork.
Brickwork. Brickwork. Brickwork refers to the construction or arrangement of bricks used in a building or other structure. It involves laying and bonding the bricks together with mortar to create walls, arches, pillars, and other architectural features. The result of brickwork is a sturdy and durable structure that provides excellent insulation and soundproofing properties. Additionally, brickwork can be aesthetically pleasing, offering a timeless and classic look to any building. With proper upkeep and maintenance, brick structures can last for many decades or even centuries, making it a popular choice for construction projects around the world.